This is at the Churchill building in Madison, Wisconsin. Modernized. Looks like they used to be Westinghouse. Yeah, they were. There's no lantern out here. It's got green mad fixtures. That is sort of rare. And the indicator matches the button fixture, the button color. So I like that. This cab is new, I think. Yeah, I think that's a new cab. It's bold or so. There aren't even lanterns up here. Yeah, these are all new. Capacity is 2,000 pounds. Floor one. Anyway, at least this lobby's kind of pretty. Oh, they're so far apart. Anyway, that's it.